What's up, guys? We're at Pungko sa Fuente. Gonna get some Pungko, which is means like sit. You just pick what you want and then pay at the end. Thank you. All right. Just a small amount, right? Look at my line. So we got the suka, chili, some ginabot, pork chops, lumpia, moyong, we have crabs, eggs, chicken. Salami.
What do you want?
I'll do the caramel milk tea with black pearl and Oreo.
All right.
Cool.
You can read the Chinese.
They even take Bitcoin. There's a pizza oven over here. And this was recommended?
Yeah. It's pretty nice here.
Yeah, for sure. It's a nice little back alleyway. I think it's like a hotel. Kind of looks like a house. There's an old faded sign that says IT-licious, like across from Old Street Coffee and Toast. So, in case you like coffee and toast, you can come here. This milk tea was recommended by one of his friends from school, so we'll see how good it is. But yeah, I'm looking forward to it. After all that fatty foods, I definitely need something sweet. So we'll get back to you in a second when we try it. All right, guys, so we just got done with the Pungko. Let's see, total between the three of us, we got 5 pork chops, 2 pieces of fried chicken, 5 or 6 ginabot, which is like fried pork intestines, 3 lumpia, 2 ngoyong, and 5 puso, I think, and it was 800 pesos, which is about $15. So for 3 people to eat, and of course I ate most of it, you know, 15 bucks isn't bad. It is in Fuente Circle, which is a very well-known place in Cebu City, very easy to get to. It's one of the only like roundabouts that I know of in the city. So if you ever want to go to that area, it's easy if you hop in a cab and just ask the Kuya driver to get you there. He knows exactly where Fuente Osmeña is, and it's in the back alley behind, there's a KFC and McDonald's. There's a little pass through. You can walk and get right to the Pungko. It is a little distracting because there's people like begging basically everywhere in those streets trying to get food and trying to ask for money and stuff, but honestly that's a common occurrence here, a lot of places, especially when you're at a restaurant, because you have food. So we end up giving food to one of the people outside, and yeah, now we're here gonna go get some milk tea, so we'll see you in a minute when we order.
Yeah, thank you.
So you got black pearls too?
Yeah. Thank you. Let's go. Thank you.
Thank you. It's good. I think I got all caramel in that sip. Let's get in the car.
Let's try the one that you've been.
All right, now we've got it mixed up. Let's try it. Ooh, it is caramel.
Is it good?
Yeah, and I got coffee jelly in the bottom.
Oh.
And pearls. It's got lots of chewiness. Super good. All right, that's our Pungko and milk tea. All right, milk tea was good. Now we're at IT Park at the Ayala Mall here. You can see it's a nice sunny day. One of the few green spaces in the area. So we're gonna go inside and walk off some of this fried food we just had. So we'll see you later, guys. Bye.